Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set up schedule power on or off time on your Xiaomi camera. First of all, we have to open our camera, click on the three dots, go for our camera name, and we have to go for the camera settings. Right now we have to go for the real-time footage, for the schedule turn on off, sorry guys, and we have to tap on the plus. Here we can find schedule on time, schedule off time, and schedule period. Let's pick schedule on time. I would like to repeat daily, and I want to start 5 AM. Click OK to confirm, tap right here, and it's enabled. Then pick schedule off time, set the repeat, daily in my case, and I'm gonna set, for example, $1 p.m. Click OK, confirm, and as you can see, there it is. Here, when you create this schedule, you can also turn it on and turn it off whenever you want. As you can see, that's how it looks. If you want to delete, just click, hold, and then tap right here. That's how it looks. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.